Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor said that registered hawkers, those who comply with the laws of the land, will be rehabilitated in conformity with state's rules and regulations, and the project to make Kendailat as pedestrian zone will start in June. Briefing media person, the tourism minister said that the registered workers will be shifted to government-owned market complexes such as Muda, Polo Market and the parking lot at Yaudo. Asked about the unwillingness of the hawkers to shift and how will the government convince them, Lingdor said law of the land will prevail and no one is above that law. They will have to conform to that law. The streets of Shillong do not belong to any single group or individuals, and the most affected people in the city are the pedestrians, because on one side you have motorists and on the other side you have hawkers.
In conformity with whatever laws are in place, they will be suitably rehabilitated. In order to encourage them and also to encourage good health, we will have to declare, and we have decided to declare Kendailat as a pedestrian zone to encourage people to walk around, enjoy good music.
The Buddhist faith